Hey, back to an electrical tower, and notice how the birds like it. Birds like the electrical towers and the electrical lines. Now, I'm not saying they get electrified because obviously the outer coating of the wire protects them. But there's something about it that the birds like. So as I proposed, birds have electrical properties. And that's why they can fly, because they create a magnetic field that resists the magnetic field of the earth and sky. And hence, when they flap their wing, that field gets stronger and better. It's nothing to do with air pressure, higher and lower air pressure. That's nonsense. It's electrical. Now, I can't prove it, but I think that birds like the electrical lines because they're drawn by the electricity that flows. Maybe they enjoy the feeling. Maybe somehow they do get a little extra charge. But anyhow, these are my thoughts. Again, I'm not going to be able to prove it to you. But I'll tell you one thing. Whatever you're told about the birds, it's probably a lie, because everything is a lie. And my thoughts make a lot of sense to me. That's how flight is done, with airplanes with propellers and jets with jet engines. They create those magnetic electrical fields. And then, in a sense, the jet or the plane glides. And in a sense, that's what birds do. I don't know if you ever watch crows up in the air, but they can go a long time without flapping their wings. And you might say, oh, it's the current of the air. Well, to a certain extent, but I've observed crows, and they don't really flap their wings a whole lot. So I think that innately birds have electrical properties, just like we have electrical properties. You as a human being, you have a heart that beats, and that's electrical. You have a brain that functions, well, at least some of the time, and that's electrical. So you're electrical. And maybe the birds just do the electric slide. Thank you for watching.